Wow. This is mine. So, hi, hello, and freaking welcome to a day that I never thought I'd see, I guess. I'm on the RS660, and not, you know, whatever RS660 I could just find. This is my personally owned RS660, and I don't know how I like that. It still has like this weird ring to it when I say it, but I can't believe I bought it. So money has gone out of my account and into a dealer's account, but it's mine. Look, no clutch, just shifts. Wow. All right. Brum. We got a biker up here. Hey, what's up, my dude? Hello. All right. So first impressions. The engine is just super smooth. The gear shifter is, I don't know, mushy, but in a good way so far. Cockpit is nice. The bike is actually surprisingly tall. I think it's taller than my MT-09, or I say my MT-09, I mean the MT-09 that I used to own. I definitely think I need a new helmet if I'm going to be riding this bike, because my GT-R 2 is not angled the way it should for this kind of bike. When I'm going in tuck, I'm struggling with looking ahead. So I've got new tires, but they are supposedly cleaned a little bit, but we're gonna take it. I'm not used to the bike. We're gonna take it slow. We're just gonna cruise along. Oh, and we're gonna test the cruise control. Yes! I can already tell this is going to be a quite confident bike in the corners. Hello, good sir. I'm trying not to get too inspired in my riding style at the moment. This is a brand new bike. I do have a habit of crashing new bikes after just a month. Wow, look at that sun! Oh my goodness, that is yellow and bright. That is incredibly bright, but hopefully the GoPro compensates for that. So this bike has, I bought it 3 days ago, and then I shipped it to get it ceramic coated, and it was coated by Rehan Racing. So big shout out to Rehan and Rehan Racing Team for taking care of my bike. So it's been ceramic coated, the tanks, the fairings, not every fairing, but the most important ones in my opinion. So the fairings basically has been coated. Wow. I can get used to this bike. It just feels really balanced. And when I slide back like I am right now, it actually feels kind of sporty. Well, I mean, I come from an MT-09, so I guess anything is sportier than an MT-09. Wow, and the sunset. Vroom. Brake test. They definitely feel good. It's Brembo. It's not the preferred Brembo, is what I've heard, but for my use, it's probably going to be more than enough. Oh yeah, already breaking the speed limit. Hold on. Hey, saw dude. Downshift. Oh, what? False neutral with the blipper? That's interesting. Maybe I didn't push hard enough. I am in the commute mode, so it's not like full-on race bike bro mode, but it's a bro mode. It's the commute bro mode. I'm speechless right now. It's so surreal being on this bike. It's the first bike that actually has got me excited since the MT-09, and that's why I knew I needed it, so I went ahead and I bought it, I guess. Can I just sneak on through here? Thank you. Wow! During, like, when there's low light, the dash turns freaking black on white. I mean, white on black. Wow! This bike just continues to surprise me. I mean, I've ridden it 11 kilometers, so it's not really... I haven't owned it for like a lot, but wow. Yeah, that's right.